Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. In today's video, I will discuss what fatty liver disease is and the 10 major causes of fatty liver and chronic liver disease. If left untreated, fatty liver disease can silently progress into serious complications like liver fibrosis, liver cirrhosis, or even liver cancer. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Okay, let's first understand what fatty liver actually means. Fatty liver disease, or it is also known as hepatic steatosis, occurs when excess fat starts accumulating in your liver cells. Normally, your liver contains a small amount of fat, but when this fat makes up more than 5 to 10% of your liver's weight, it becomes a problem. There are two main types of fatty liver disease: alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is caused by excessive alcohol consumption; non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is caused by factors other than alcohol such as poor diet, obesity, and metabolic disorders. Fatty liver has become a modern epidemic affecting 1 in 3 adults globally. Some studies suggest that around 1.5 billion people suffer from this condition worldwide, and sadly, most of them don't even know it until it progresses to advanced stages. Let's now discuss the 10 major causes of fatty liver disease. The first and most well-known cause is alcohol. When you drink alcohol, your liver prioritizes breaking it down. But in this process, the liver cells become overworked and start storing fat. Long-term and heavy drinking causes inflammation, fat accumulation, and eventually scarring, leading to alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies reveal that about 90% of heavy drinkers develop fatty liver at some point in their life, and many of them later progresses to cirrhosis if they don't quit alcohol. The second major cause is obesity. If you are overweight, your liver tends to accumulate extra triglycerides, which leads to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In fact, around 70 to 80% of obese individuals are believed to have some degree of fatty liver. Obesity-related fatty liver is closely linked to metabolic syndrome, which includes high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and abnormal cholesterol levels. The third cause is type 2 diabetes. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, glucose and fat metabolism get disturbed. This results in excess fat storage in the liver. Insulin resistance does not just cause fatty liver, it also increases your risk of developing liver inflammation and fibrosis. The fourth cause is dyslipidemia, or abnormal lipid levels in your blood. When your cholesterol and triglycerides are elevated, your liver starts accumulating these fats. This buildup worsens liver inflammation and contributes to the development of non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, which is a severe form of fatty liver. The fifth cause is unhealthy eating habits. Eating a diet high in refined carbohydrates, fried foods, sugary drinks, and processed snacks can overload your liver with fat and fructose. Fast foods and sugary beverages increase the production of fatty acids in the liver, worsening fat accumulation. So, if your daily diet includes colas, pastries, burgers, and fries, you are unknowingly pushing your liver towards fatty liver disease. Now, let's talk about your lifestyle. Lack of physical activity slows down metabolism and causes fat buildup in the body and liver. A sedentary routine like sitting for long hours, minimal exercise, and lack of movement reduces your body's ability to burn fat effectively. Regular physical activity helps your liver metabolize fat efficiently and maintain its health. The seventh cause is something most people overlook. It is rapid weight loss or extreme dieting. When you lose weight too quickly, fat stored in other parts of your body start moving to your liver. This sudden shift overloads the liver and can trigger inflammation, worsening fatty liver disease. So, gradual and balanced weight loss is always better than crash diets. Certain medicines can also harm your liver and lead to fatty changes. These include long-term use of corticosteroids, tamoxifen, methotrexate, amiodarone, and some antiviral drugs. Such medicines can alter fat metabolism and trigger liver inflammation. That's why it's always important to take medications under medical supervision and never self-medicate. You might be surprised to know that your environment also plays a big role. Prolonged exposure to industrial chemicals, pesticides, insecticides, and air pollutants can damage your liver cells. These toxins disrupt your liver's detoxification process and lead to toxic hepatitis, which later turns into fatty liver disease. The last cause is genetic predisposition and hormonal imbalance. If fatty liver runs in your family, your chances of developing it increase. Also, conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome and hypothyroidism can alter your metabolism, leading to fat accumulation in the liver. So friends, these were the 10 major causes of fatty liver disease that are silently damaging millions of lives across the world. Fatty liver disease might seem harmless in the beginning because it usually doesn't show symptoms early on. But as it progresses, it can lead to serious complications like liver inflammation, fibrosis, or even cirrhosis. The good news is the liver has a remarkable ability to heal itself naturally when supported with proper care, a healthy diet, and the right treatment. At Bharat Homeopathy, we focus on root cause treatment rather than temporary relief. We analyze the patient's complete constitution, both physical and emotional factors, before prescribing a personalized treatment plan. Many of our patients who were struggling with fatty liver disease experienced tremendous improvement after starting homeopathic treatment with us. Within just a few months, their liver enzymes normalized and symptoms like fatigue, bloating, and indigestion disappeared completely. If you also want to reverse your fatty liver naturally without side effects, you can tell us today and begin your personalized treatment regime. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more informative health videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.